Part 12. Why mental nurse don't make videos. Hook. Curiosity plus pause. Why don't mental health nurse make TikTok videos? The answers will hurt you. Body truth plus your story. Because trauma is not content. PTSD is not a trend. In Nakibali refuge camp, 30 years. I wrote case notice for patient with suicidal thoughts, psychiatric depression, rape survivors. You cannot dance to that pain. You must listen. Silence is medicine. Twist. 2 interview answers. So why I want to be mental health nurse now? Because the UK NHS needs nurse who understand real pain. I have 27 years of RN experience. I am calm, patient. I listen first. I am ready for IELTS and NMSC. I don't make video for views. I want to heal mind. CTA, 27 years, RN, ready for UK mental health. Part 13. Next. Caption: trauma is not content. 30 years, Nakibali taught me to listen. #mental health awareness. Sorry.